Hi, welcome to Divinus Tarot. We are going to celebrate the divine energy. We will unravel the secrets of the sacred divine. Stay with the channel to enjoy the process. Let's see how the Arians will do in the coming 2 weeks in their love life. Four cards we are bringing out. First three cards are situation cards, and the fourth card is the advice card. The first card says new beginnings. New love has entered your life. You feel that new sun is rising, a marvelous vista is opening, a new person has entered. The second card is Eight of Swords, and you will feel that if you are prisoner of your preconceived notions, you can't make out anything about your emotions. You feel that as if you can't understand yourself only. The third card is Six of Gabriel. It says that you will come out of the confusion that you have experienced earlier. You'll be in control of everything, and you'll be the top contender in the love life. Advice is the Chariot. You have to take control of the situation, where you'll find if you take control, everything will go in the right direction, and you will love being in love, and you'll be the chariot of the situation. Now is the time to know about the situation work wise, how the work will be done in the coming 2 weeks. Again, four cards. First three cards will be the situation cards, and the fourth card will be the advice card. Now, the first card is the world, second is Three of Gabriel reverse, third is Eight of Michael, and fourth is advice card Knight of Ariel. Work-wise, the world says that you'll have achieved whatever you had wanted earlier. You might have finished the project you had started. Three of Gabriel reversed says, right now you feel that you are out of ideas. There's no place to go to. You'll be trying to scratch your brains to find out about the new project or new work or new ideas. Eight of Michael says that there'll be no mountain to climb and no other place to be conquered. You'll feel as if you are stuck in a rut, nowhere to go to. Advises Knight of Ariel. It says, have patience, something wonderful is waiting for you. Leap at the opportunity offered to you at the first glance. Now is the time to know about the financials in the coming 2 weeks. Four cards. First three cards for situation, and the last card for the advice. The first card is the World card. Second is the Magician. Third is Page of Ariel. And the fourth is Change Your Life. The first card, World, says that the world will be your oyster. You'll have everything you have desired, ample money. The second card is the Magician card, which says that you'll feel on top of the world, and as if you have a magic wand, you can change dust into gold. Third card is Page of Ariel, which says a golden opportunity is waiting. A new job or a new project will be offered to you on a platter. The advice is change your life. As you have ample money and you have all the glitter around you and gold around you, be humble. Try to try to be spiritually awakened. Thank you for watching. Keep divining. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you once again.